Hello everyone, in this Master Watchmaker review, we'll be looking at the two-tone Datejust from VS Factory. I'll share the details in this video. Many factories produce the Datejust, including VS Factory, Clean Factory, EW Factory, and many more. Okay, let's take a look at the one from VS Factory. First, let's examine its dial. It measures 39.4 毫米. The official specification lists it as 41 mm. The dial is 41 mm, but the actual measured size is 39.4 mm. This includes the genuine model as well. If you measure it, it will be this size. The difference is negligible. 39.4 毫米. The thickness is 11.7 mm. It's from the same factory. Currently, for the top-tier Datejust, I believe it's VS Factory. This is because its movement is more robust than Clean Factories. Okay, let's look at its workmanship. Which one do you prefer, the two-tone black? Or this one ... Now, this one is the older version. The old version has a glossy dial surface, whereas the new model features a fluted motif pattern dial. This is the new model, that's the old model. I think the workmanship is exceptionally refined. On the genuine model, the fluted bezel and the center links of the bracelet are made of solid 18K gold, which makes it significantly heavier. However, the replica uses gold plating, so its weight is not as substantial as the genuine piece. This is its only drawback. The bracelets are identical, only the dial is different. I think it's crafted with great precision. It's excellent. Apart from the weight difference, it's really difficult to find any other flaws. Also, many people are concerned about whether the gold color will fade. Strictly speaking, any gold plating will eventually show wear over a long period. It won't actually fade away, but just become dull. However, with the current technology of VS Factory, I have not had a single customer report that the color has faded on their two-tone Datejust. There have been no such reports. So I believe with today's craftsmanship, it's very, very difficult for the color to fade. For the VS Factory version, let's look at the code on the clasp. Perhaps the lighting isn't great here. The code is K6G. The engravings on the clasp are very crisp and clear. It also features an extension link here. Just pull it to extend. It also has micro adjustment positions here, in the middle, and at the back for fine-tuning. This watch uses a movement called the Dandong 3235 cone, so its power reserve is 72 hours. This means after a full wind, the watch's power reserve will last for about 72 hours. In contrast, the Clean Factory version uses the Shanghai 3235 cone, which has a power reserve of only 42 hours. That's a 30-hour difference, which makes the VS Factory version superior. However, some people say that Clean Factory's fluted bezel and bracelet are better than VS Factory's. But I believe the VS Factory's exterior is identical to Clean Factory's, with no significant difference. Without a side-by-side comparison, there's no telling them apart. Okay, let's take a look. Unscrew the crown. Pull it out to the first position to adjust the date. It adjusts clockwise. Pull it to the second position to set the time. Remember, The Dandong 3235 cone adjusts counterclockwise for the time, not clockwise. Push the crown into one net, then push it in again and screw it down tightly. All three of these dials are very popular and look fantastic. Alright, now let's see what the VS factory movement actually looks like. Many viewers often ask me why VSF is so cheap, or why CF is so cheap. Don't trust the pictures you see online. They can just grab a random picture online and tell you it's a VSF or ACF, and you wouldn't be able to tell the difference. So today, I will teach you how to differentiate a genuine VS factory movement from a genuine clean factory movement, and what they actually look like. These two are from VS factory. This one here is a clean factory model that one of my clients previously bought from me. The clean factory movement and the VS factory movement are different. If someone sells you a clean factory watch claiming it's a VSF, you need to be careful. So, before buying this watch, it's best to open the case back and take a look. Is it really a VS factory movement or a clean factory one? We'll see for ourselves. Alright, let's take a look. The genuine VS factory movement utilizes the Dandong 3235 cone. See the balance bridge area here? It has two adjustment arms. Now, if it's from clean factory. The clean factory Shanghai 3235 cone, it only has one adjustment arm. Its balance bridge area has only a single adjustment arm. Actually, its other part is hidden underneath. This is the authentic Shanghai 3235 cone. If it's the Dandong movement, it has two visible arms on top. 1, 2, it's not underneath, but on top. What's the purpose of this? It's for regulating the accuracy. This is the genuine Dandong movement. So if you buy a watch advertised as VSF and open it to see a movement like this, it's actually a clean factory watch. If you open it and see the two adjustment arms, then it's a genuine VS factory. It's that simple to tell them apart. This watch ... I believe if you like Two-Tone watches or the Datejust, this is a very good choice. Let me put it on to show you. This is the two-tone version. Okay, now I'll try on this one. The one with the fluted motif dial. This is the new model with the fluted motif dial. And this is the old model. Alright, let's take a look at this watch's lume. My flashlight isn't charged, so I can't show you. These watches all have luminous material. It has an ice blue lume. So my advice is, if you're looking for a Datejust, you should definitely go for the VS factory model with the Dandong 3235 cone. Its power reserve is a true 72 hours. Clean factories can't match that. So, I recommend getting the VS factory version. Don't bother with clean factories. Okay, that's all for this quick review. If you like our videos, remember to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.